Lower body to lesson 23 of CSS and attractive design. So in this lesson we will know something called border radius, how we could add the radius for the border. Let's go to the code and here we'll create, for example, h3, and the h3 I will write some content. This is header 3, and that header 3 I'll write here style. I'll call that h3. I'm sorry, it's not ID. Then here we could say border, and the border is, as we learned, 3 pixel solid as we need. Then let's say it would be brown. Save it and refresh the page and see what we have. Here we have, okay, let's add something called padding. I mean, let's add some padding, and let's say, for example, 30 pixel. Save it and come here, refresh. Great. Let's see it could be 7, so it could be clear for the explanation. Great. So now we could add the border radius. So the border radius could be edited with length. For example, let's say 30 pixel. Save it, refresh, and here we are. So this curve, it's the radius. Okay, so if you want that radius to be larger, you could say put a large element. So now it's large. How could we create a circle with CSS? Imagine I will have here, for example, a word, and I will say, for example, let's say it's 2. Great. And let's say circle. Great. And here I will say h2, and I'll add padding. For example, let's say how we could be add padding. We could say 30 pixel or more. For example, let's say 60 pixel. Great. Save it. Here's the circle, and let's add, for example, here we could add border and say, let's see, it would be 10 pixel and solid and grain. Great. Save it. Here we are. It's a circle. Also we have something. Let's see the width. Could be, for example, 50 pixel. Save it. Refresh the page, and here we are. Great. How could I make this circle square round? For example, round button. It's easy. Okay. How we could do that? We could see here radius, border radius, and then see the circle, for example, 100 pixel. Let's refresh, and here we are. It's a circle. Not yet. Let's increase it. Let's see 150. Save it and refresh. Let's see 200. Sorry. Save it, refresh. Let's add the padding. Let's see, it's 80. Save it and refresh the page, and here we are. Add it to 300. Okay, and 60, and refresh. Here we are. This is a circle. Okay, isn't it? It's a circle. So here how we add or create a circle. So if you have seen, for example, some buttons, okay, that they add the they added, for example, downloaded. It's right here, download. Save it, and it's like that, but it should be, the padding should be small. Where is the padding? Should be, for example, 20. Save it and refresh. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, the width could be, for example, 50 pixel. Okay, let's see, 60 pixel. The padding could be let's see, 20. The width should be greater. Let's see, it could be 80 pixel. Refresh, more down, could be 100. See, refresh. Great, it could be like that. And the padding could be 20 pixel from the right. The top could be 10 pixel or 7 pixel, then 20 pixel or 15 pixel. Then the bottom could be 7, and the last one, which is could be 15 pixel. Save it, refresh, and here we are. Download link. Great. You could see when they hover it, it could be green or what, something. So this about the we consider in this lesson about the radius. Thanks for listening and watching. See you on the next video. Bye.